30 frames per second.
Being a good earbud just in general.
Welcome to ShpeeTech.
What it is, what it do, it's time for another ShpeeTech review.
So this is the Anker phone charger. It has a lightning cable and is 6 times more durable than anything else on the market.
So this cable has been really good. It's lasted me a whole year, and I've never lasted a whole year with other cables, and it's still going. There's no weird like things where you have to move it a certain way to start charging. No, it still works like the day I got it. And I think that's one of the good things I like, is that I can bend it and it won't actually like damage the cable. So that's pretty cool. And we got it in the 11-foot version, so it's fairly large. And so that's pretty cool. You can just sit at the wall and then not have to worry about having a short cable. So, one of the things that they claim is that it lasts 6 times longer, and I guess I can agree with that. I haven't really doing any of the math or anything, but this Anker Powerline is really recommended. It comes with the 11-foot version, which we have here, the 6-foot version, and a 3-foot version.
So this black part of the charger is hard and protective plastic coating, so it doesn't bend. But this part right here, this is to prevent any breaking of the wire. Then it's soft and flexible.
So because I have an iPhone, we have the lightning cable here, and Anker offers other options such as USB Type-C and micro USB for Androids. You can get this power line for almost any phone that you have, and I would really recommend this. It's really strong.
So overall, I think it's a 10 out of 10 for a good charger. It's really long and it's very durable. What do you think?
I think this is a solid 10, the first 10 on the show, maybe. It's lasted a whole year without breaking, no problems. I've never had any charging problems with this, so that's it for this video.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, maybe even share the video. We've had 1 or 2 of those.
Alright.
Peace.
It's just that balloon.
So altogether, I